Again, welcome everyone to this webinar on anxiety and depression. Thank you all for joining in, and a big thanks to Vijay for arranging these series of webinars which are so contributing in these times when everyone is going through a lot with all this coronavirus and the lockdown. Thank you so much, Vijay, and giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic, which has actually brought me into access consciousness. So I would start with something about myself. I'm Tasneem Bangrowala. I'm an access certified facilitator, life coach, a corporate trainer, and an entrepreneur. I have been learning and practicing various life transformation techniques and healing modalities since last 10 years. And I have worked in software industry for 2 decades before I started healing and facilitating full time since 2017. And today I'm going to give you some access tools and my journey with anxiety and depression, and then what access created for me. I'll start with something about my family history. I was born to parents who were I remember them in a constant state of worries and concerns. My mother was on antidepressant medicines for 10 to 15 years, as far as I remember, before she made her onward journey. And my father was having he had anxiety issues. So while growing up in that environment, for me, the natural state of being was to worry and have concerns. So depression and anxiety was something very normal for me while I grew up. And whenever I would see other people having lot of fun and just laughing around and leading a carefree life, I used to wonder that what would it take for me to choose that too. From around 2009, I started reading various authors like Rhonda Byrne, Eckhart Tolle, Paulo Coelho, Tony Robbins, and I also took various landmark education courses, which gave me a different perspective about life, that there was another point of view also available. Apart from what I had seen, I had also taken some art of living courses by them. In around 2012, 2013, something happened. Somewhere my son, who was turning 16 years at that time, he started showing symptoms of depression and anxiety. And at that point of time, I made a demand on myself and a request of the universe to show me a different possibility. I knew that there was a different way, something else was possible which I had not yet known. And I discovered access at that point of time through a friend of mine who was a facilitator in UAE. My first Access Bars class in 2013 made me for the first time present to the fact that there was nothing wrong with me. I was fine, I was all right. There was nothing to be fixed. And I also got present to my psychic capacities, that how much sensitive and aware I was to all that was going on in other people's universes and in the environment around me. I could see that all of the confusion and overwhelm that I was going through with my depression and anxiety, and experiencing all that sadness, helplessness, and powerlessness in my universe was actually not mine. If you are not yet into Access, you haven't done any of the course, probably you may not be aware of a couple of tools that I'm going to give right now. And those of you who are already into Access, you may it might be a good recap for you. Yes, I'll mute everyone, just a minute. Okay. So 99% of our thoughts, feelings, and emotions that we are experiencing are not actually ours. Yes, you heard it right. They are not ours. As psychic beings that we truly are, we are highly sensitive and aware of everything that is going on in the universe, and we are picking up the thoughts, feelings, and emotions of people who are known and unknown to us. And as we perceive those thoughts and feelings and emotions in our minds with sensations in our body, mistakenly we think that they are happening to us. So for every thought, feeling, and emotion that you experience from now onwards, you may want to ask yourself, is it mine? Is it truly mine? Or is it someone or something else's that I am picking up over here? The tool to use it is, who does this belong to? A simple, pragmatic tool that you can use in everyday life whenever you are going through running thoughts and overwhelmed, lot of confusion. You can ask, truth, who does this belong to? So truth, whenever added in front of a question, the lie cannot remain over there, and you get the awareness in an instant. So truth, who does this belong to? Who does this belong to? Who does this belong to? You keep on repeating this question till you feel a sense of lightness in your body, in your universe, and then you return it to the sender with consciousness attached. This is what you say. So you are returning it to whoever it was sent by, without even trying to figure out who that person was. You return it to the sender, and you send it with consciousness attached, so that it does not backfire on them. It's they also have the tools, and they have the consciousness to deal with that, whatever that they are going through. So the tool, again I'll repeat, who does this belong to? Who does this belong to? Who does this belong to? As many number of times as you would like to repeat, and then return it to the sender with consciousness attached. If you will use this tool for 3 days, for every thought, feeling, and emotion that you have, you will find a space in your being which you probably have not experienced any time in your life till date. I can guarantee that. The other awareness that changed a lot for me was about how much we judge ourselves. So all of the times you are not happy and you are experiencing low self-esteem, a sense of unworthiness, you may want to ask yourselves, get present to the judgments that you are inflicting upon yourselves. So this reality teaches us right from the childhood to judge and compare and evaluate everything as good or bad, as right or wrong. Comparison and judgment is the only way that we have learned to be in this reality. However, nature has no judgment. So nature has just imagine if there are two flowers, one flower is red and one flower is white. Would nature, would earth have any judgment that red flower is better than white flower? No, each of them is unique and different, and each one of it, the flower is beautiful in its own sense. Similarly, if do we judge that this tree is so huge and this tree is so small, and why grass is so small and why palm tree is so big? No, but how we judge our bodies for being too big or big too small, the parts of our body, how much we uh, do that to ourselves and how much unkindness it is to us. And similarly, we are judged and we judge others. So start seeing that every judgment is just a point of view. Even like the earth even does not have judgment about any of the natural calamities like earthquakes, epidemics, or a storm. That is the way the earth and the universe creates change. However, only human beings judge in this universe. They are the persons, they have judgments about every situation and about every person. So, what if we could allow everyone and everything, every situation to be as it is? Like that is being in allowance. And the tool that you can start using for this is interesting point of view. So, get present to every judgment that you are having about yourself and about others, and just acknowledge that this is just a point of view, and make it an interesting point of view. Interesting point of view, I have this point of view about my body. Interesting point of view, I have this point of view about this situation. And whenever you find anyone else judging you or judging anything about the coronavirus, about the situations, about the financial conditions, about what the business would look like after this lockdown. Every time you get present to their points of views, use this tool as interesting point of view. This is their point of view. Interesting point of view. They have this point of view. And you don't have to say it aloud. You can say it silently in your head, and you can say how miraculously it works and what it creates in your space. If you use this tool, interesting point of view, for for say a week, you would actually start becoming walking talking meditation. So I would like highly recommend and invite you to use this tool. Then something about like how we misidentify anxiety or fear with excitement. So there are some doctors on the call over here, and if we look at the changes in the body, the physiological conditions and the hormonal changes, the adrenaline rush that happens in the body when a person is very fearful or anxious, or when they are extremely enthusiastic and excited, they are same. The same thing, the same patterns are there in their brains as well as in their physiology. So when we were young, our parents or someone else, some elder in the family, when we were too excited about doing something, like say going for an adventurous ride, or at a place which had some like a water body, or somewhere we went to swim, or something similar, you might want to go back to your childhood and try to remember, and someone told you, be careful, take care that you do not get harmed by that place, by those people, or by that condition. And you just mixed up those feelings of excitement with fear and anxiety. So what everything like you are too excited about, when you are too like and you experience anxiety before writing an exam, or when I was coming to this platform to give this webinar, I was questioning, like whatever what I am going through right now, my heartbeats going up, if they are actually going up, is it too much of excitement that I'm experiencing, speaking to so many people on this call and sharing my experiences with them, or is it truly anxiety? So everywhere you have misidentified and misinterpreted your excitement about like some experiences with anxiety or fear. Can you just go back and review all of them and get yourself out from this trap of anxiety where you have prisoned yourself right now, as if there was no other choice and you could not choose like something else for yourself? So here I would like to mention about access mantra. If you are not aware of it till now, and if you are already aware, a reminder to start using it more often, at least 10 times in the morning and 10 times in the evening, saying this access mantra: all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. This access mantra creates a sense of peace and space in your universe, which you may not have experienced any time before. And you may also want to use it whenever you are going through this anxiety or bouts of depression or panic attacks. Just start saying it and start using any of the tools which which you are getting present to. Okay, so okay, I'll repeat the access mantra: all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Vijay, can you please do me a favor and write it on the chat box? Yes, thank you, Vijay. Thanks a lot. So it's in the chat box, Avinash. You can note it down from there and start repeating it. Yeah, even when I say it, you can say along with me and you can see the energies change. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. The ease, joy, and glory is your natural state of being. You were that when you were born, and you unlearned all of that and picked up all the shit as you grew up. That was the conditioning that you went through, and you forgot being that ease, joy, and glory. Then another thing which is called the crazy phrase. So crazy phrase, as the name indicates, it is crazy. So you don't have to make any sense out of it, and don't even try to understand it from your logical mind. Its whole purpose is to bypass your logical mind, and it has created like wonders for me in situations where no other tool worked. So it's like my ramban, I would say. So it is, the crazy phrase is: everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. I'll repeat that, and which I would write it down for you in the chat box. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. If you repeat it 3 to 20 times, you would suddenly see the running thoughts, the overwhelm that you were going through It suddenly comes to a calm state of mind. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. So, guys, like, just start practicing the tools, and you would see the magical results that they create. You may also want to use it when you are having sleepless nights, insomnia, and for anyone who is having some traits of bipolar psychological condition, you may want to use that. And then access bars. It's a beautiful body process that Access Consciousness has given it. So these are 32 points on your head, which when touched gently, they release all the energetic barriers that you have locked into your body and being from various lifetimes. They start dissolving and dissipating, and you find a space which is so much more expansive and infinite. Neurologic, uh, Neuroscientists have studied the brain waves and the neurological patterns that are formed when a person has taken some few bar sessions, and they have found that the neurological patterns are similar to those of monks, the Buddhist monks and others who have spent years meditating, who have done deep meditations for years and years. The similar brain patterns we start having when we go when we take BAS sessions. So you may want to contact a BAS facilitator in your city, in your area, and experience these BAS sessions. And you may also want to take an Access BAS class, which is a one-day BAS class, and a certified Access BAS facilitator can give you this class, and you become a certified Access BAS practitioner too. In this period of lockdown, when we are required to maintain social distancing, you may want to buy this Access BAS class from Access Shop, and that also makes you a certified BAS practitioner.
Osni,
Yes.
this is Dr. Deepti.
Okay.
I just wanted to ask you, you said about the bars online. Is it possible, are you taking, or I have to buy it separately from that Access shop?
No. Okay, just let me unpin myself first of all. I can't see you.
Yeah. See, I'm over here.
Hi, Deepti. So
Hi.
no, it's I like, though Access BAS facilitators can do the Access BAS classes online, but Gary does not recommend doing that. So I'm not going to do an online BAS class. However, there are BAS classes done by Gary, Dane, and I think Brendan also, which are available on Access Shop. So you, like, one who has not done an Access BAS class yet and they want to learn Access BAS in this period of lockdown, that they can go and buy it from there.
And it will be counted for the as the second bar class?
Yes.
Okay, then I can apply for my classes,
Yes,
facilitator.
yes. How does it get
Okay,
any
thank you
better
so
than that? Just use it.
I'm so
Okay.
happy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Great. Thank you for asking. Okay. So we, another thing, like, I would like to, at this point of time, let me just give you an experience. I'm muting all of you right now. We we are infinite beings. So let's get a glimpse of what this infinite looks like by a small exercise that we will do right now. So you may want to close your eyes. Sit comfortably wherever you are and just close your eyes. And now get present to all the barriers that you have created, the walls that you have put around you to protect yourself, to shield yourself from all the energies that you considered as wrong or bad or harmful anytime, all the points of views that you had bought from others, and you created these barriers around you. Get present to all those walls and barriers, and now start pushing those barriers down energetically. You may want to use your hands like this and push them down. You may just want to open your eyes and see a bit, or you may want to do it just energetically, pushing down your barriers. Push down your barriers. Lower down your barrier till your nose. Push them down further till your neck. Further down till your chest. Push them down further till your stomach. Become more vulnerable. Let the universal energies gift and contribute to you and your body. Push down your barriers till your thighs, down till your knees, legs, feet, and let them pour down into the earth. Now find the outer edges of you. You as the being, the soul that you are, not inside of your body, but the outer edges of you, outside of your body. So you as the infinite being that you truly are cannot be so small that you could be contained in this small body of yours. So just get present to the outer edges of you, outside of your body. And now start expanding yourself. So when you expand yourself, it is just an ask. There is no how to it. You ask the being, the outer edges of you to expand. Expand yourself to the size of the room, to all the four corners of the room where you are sitting. Expand yourself further, 100 kilometers in all directions. And now you see yourself present in the whole of the city where you are in. Continue to expand yourself thousands of kilometers in all directions, including downwards into the earth. Now you are in whole of the country where you are currently. Expand yourself hundred thousands of kilometers further in all direction, and you are in the whole of the continent. Expand yourself more in all directions, on the top, bottom, sideways, front, back. To be occupying the whole of the planet Earth. Expand yourself and just feel the sensations in your body. Just get present to all the feelings that you are in right now. The infiniteness that you truly be. Get present to all the infinite, expansive energies of the universe. So, as the energy, space, and consciousness that you are, this is how it is. This is what you truly are. And when you are soaked into these infinite universal energies, when you have experienced all of it, and you can feel it in every pore of your body, gently open your eyes. Would anyone like to share, someone who was doing this expansion exercise for the first time, what are you feeling right now? How was it for you? Okay, so for many people, like this is the first time they are able to see that they are everywhere, they are omnipresent, and they are omnipotent. Would an infinite being ever choose sadness? Would they choose depression? Or would an infinite being be too powerful to be like choosing helplessness, sadness, anxiety, and overwhelm? Are you, when you are infinite, are you too powerful, too potent, too big, too huge? And you can be anywhere, and you can do anything, and you can have everything of your choice. Yeah, so yes, so there are some people have shared their experience. Thank you. Relaxing and powerful, light and sleepy. Yes, so how much relaxed are you feeling right now that you would like to sleep? Yeah, so it's a very relaxed state of being you get into through this expansion exercise, and you may want to do it to at least once in a day, or number of times whenever you are feeling that anxiety and depressed energy in your body and being. Just do this expansion exercise, chant the access mantra, use the tools, and the energies would shift. And maybe it won't work for you, it works only for me, is it? Okay, and at this point of time I would like to mention that I'm doing this a 10 days program starting from 23rd April for energy pulse. So when right now we did an expansion exercise, and once you are in that expanded state of being, you are so expansive, then you start pulling energies from the universe, and you can have the contribution of those energies to actualize all your asks, the creations that you would like to have. And I would like this in these 10 days, I will be doing energy pulse every morning at 8:45 a.m. IST for 15 to 20 minutes. We will be doing expansion and energy pulse for money, for creations, for any of the psychological conditions that you are going through, for an expansive and potent state of being. And every night I would be gifting Symphony of Possibilities session. So this SOP sessions are an energetic way of being. Like we work on your energy bodies. This is the work created by Dr. Dane here, who is the co-founder of Access Consciousness, and something shifts in your energy level, at the energetic body level, in your aura, as you may say in the layman terms, which dissipates all the energetic barriers that you have created, which come into the way of the possibilities actually showing up in your life. And it's a symphony. So all the areas of life go in harmony, as if an orchestra is playing in your life, which is so beautiful and so melodious that everything goes in sync with each other, and you just dance to that melody in your life of possibilities, a melody of possibilities in all areas of your life. So if you want to choose that, just let me know, and I'll get you the into the program. Okay, so we have 10 more minutes to go, I believe, at least 7 more minutes. Yes, so I would in short mention about entities. Any questions? Yes. And while yeah, if you have any questions, and something I wanted to mention about entities, how we have in current, in last few centuries, how we have just invalidated the presence of entities. We don't even acknowledge the presence of energies without bodies, the beings without bodies, which play a great role in having all these psychological issues. So any questions that I can answer for you before I talk further a little bit on entities? Okay, there are no questions as such. You may want to unmute yourself or type in the chat box your question. And we talk more about the entities. You get present to the entities, you without getting afraid of them being a contribution to the entities, and you start facilitating them and clearing them from your universe, which is the thing that creates a major shift with especially with depression and schizophrenia and other psychological conditions. That is one of the topics in the 4 days foundation class that you can attend after you have done an Access Bars class. And I'm doing a foundation class from 4th of May. It would be an online class, so you may attend it through Zoom as you are attending this session. And you have to be extremely present in the class for the foundation. So it's people report that it's much, in some areas it is much more effective than having a live class, because you have to be extremely present with the facilitator during an online class. I would also suggest this book called Pragmatic Psychology by Susanna Mittermeier. You may want to buy it on Kindle and read it to have more insights about how access tools can work with any of these psychological conditions. And I would be doing a book club where I'll be facilitating or using this book reading sessions. So you may want to contact me for the dates on Pragmatic Psychology Book Club. Another book club that I'm starting from 25th of April is on Right Riches for You. It is about changing all your money reality, how you look at money, and changing your financial condition in this so-called difficult economic times. So you may want to choose that and create more wealth for you and your family with this Right Riches for You book club. Any questions before we close for the day? Thank you so much, all of you, for joining this class.
Thank you.
I do live coaching. I give personal access sessions, facilitation sessions, and SOP sessions. So if any one of you want to get in touch with me, you may contact me on my contact number 94253 80498. I'll type it in the chat box. Again, I would like to thank Vijay. My heartfelt gratitude to you, Vijay, for creating this series and inviting me to speak a bit about this, my journey with anxiety and depression,
Thank you.
and what can it create for all of you on the calls. What else is truly possible that you have not yet considered? Vijay, would you like to say something before we close?
Yeah, it's very nice talk, like about your experiences related to anxiety and depression, and like having these tools is very handy, and we are able to run some clearings related to access also, so that we are able to overcome this anxiety and depression, and we consider all
बेटा
these
घरे जाने
as a
घरे जाने
Yes, Shushma, can you mute yourself, please?
yeah. We will go, like we will get a
Sorry, I muted everyone. So you got muted, Vijay. I just, sorry for that. Can you unmute yourself, Vijay, again? Sorry. Yeah.
yeah, unmuted. Yeah. Thank you for this wonderful class.
Okay, you want me to run some clearings?
Yeah, it's fine, no problem. You can
Hello.
have clearings also. It's okay.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello, Tasneem. This is Sharad here from Nagpur.
Yeah, hi, Sharad.
Hi. I think we had communicated before. So I have a lot of interest in Access, but unfortunately in the present situation, you can't do very powerful tools like Access bars and all that, unfortunately. But I have also interest in this entities. So you are doing what? Are you doing some kind of an intro session, or you are doing a proper full session? What was
So,
that I missed?
okay, so you can take, like, if you are like, if you can take a personal session and online session for entity clearings and for facilitation, anything like you are going through, if there is something going on in your universe. And the other choices, like you taking a talk to the entities class with a facilitator, and we talk about entities and various other topics about life, and like we as if you are creating a new life in this foundation class. It's a 4 days class that you can attend if you have already done an access bars class.
Yeah, I'm aware of foundation class, but I would like to do it in live rather than online. I'm sure it can be done within
Yeah,
another month.
okay.
So
Yeah, so
I belong to the old school of thought, so there is a difference in online and being in the live class, I think.
okay, so can you do an interesting point of view on that? Interesting point of view, I have this point of view about
Right.
live and
Point of
online classes.
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
right.
Okay, so you may want to do that. And like the whole of CF training and many other classes, all of them are happening online right now, and people are creating, like they're creating like hell right with the online classes. And like how much did you receive from this online session, this webinar which was online? Sharad, it was an online
I
session
think the
we did
time is
right
over.
now, and can you acknowledge all that you received from this session, which was actually online and it was not live? So everywhere you have limited yourself.
This thing, your mind
Yeah,
is muted.
unable to hear. Maybe time is over. Yeah, thank you for attending. Yeah, time is over.
Hi Vijay, thank you. Thank you Vijay.
Tasneem, your mic is muted.
Okay. Yes. So we are past time for the webinar, and like you can connect to Vijay or me for more details. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sharad, for asking the
Thank you
question,
Vijay.
and thank
Vijay.
you everyone for joining in. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tasneem.
It
Thank
was
you. Bye. Bye,
fun.
everyone. Good
Bye-bye.
night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.